Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title guys, we are doing another makeup challenge. Yes. Say to you guys, if you do not follow me on Instagram already, my name is just up there. It is Clueless_MUA87 and I will leave a clickable link just in my description box as well. I am going to do my next video with you guys deciding. So today's video was decided by the people who already follow me on Instagram, and you had the choice between following a makeup tutorial or doing this makeup challenge. So if that's something you guys would like to do and be the decider of my next video, then head over to my Instagram, give me a follow, and then that way you guys can get to decide. So quick description of today's challenge. It is my lovely trusty spin wheel app is going to decide which makeup step is next. This video has already been done by the lovely Ilsa Ashley, who had a real life spin wheel. She spun the wheel and then every time she had done a step, she took the step away. I'm not going to do that. So basically, guys, I'm going to spin that wheel 10 times. That's the amount of steps I normally do in my routine. And it is going to decide how many times I'm going to have to do my foundation or even get to do foundation at all. So do you guys want to see what happens? Then keep watching the video. And don't forget, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe as well. I'm so in love with you. Let's see what the spin wheel's got in store for us first. Mascara. Mascara I am going to use because it gives me lovely, nice, big eyelashes. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Scandalous Eyes Extreme. I got this for £3.99 from B&M store, which is a bargain. It is one of those ones where it says it retailed originally for £7.99. I don't know if that's true or not because I haven't purchased it at like the proper price, but oh yes. I am worried about this, like being the first step, because this needs to dry quick. That is mascara done. I did the top lashes and my bottom lashes. Time for step 2. We have powder, which is okay. I mean, I would rather have a primer before powder, but powder I'm going to go in with is my Fit Me powder, and it has got a little bit of a colour to it. So if we don't get any foundation, then hopefully this will just give me a little bit of a colour. It's not going to give me coverage, but it's going to give me a little bit of colour. Time for step 3. My mascara is still wet. Okay, so we have got bronzer. So because we've not put our foundation on just yet, I don't want to use too much powder. So I'm going to go in with my Revolution HD cream contour palette. And we are going to use this one just there. I'm going to use my Real Techniques face brush. I'm not going to worry too much how it goes because we are not even going to see it. I kind of want to layer on so that I can see it. So that is my bronzer on. I know it's very dark, but I just want something so hopefully it will be seen on my foundation if we get foundation. Okay, time for step 4. It was almost primer and then it was setting spray. Damn it. For my setting spray, I'm going to use my Revolution Pro, and this is a mattifying setting spray. Let's spray it first. I like to do that in case we don't get. I don't normally set my makeup because I normally have mascara on, and I'm scared. So when we find out if it's a waterproof mascara or not. Okay, so let's get into step 5. Okay, some highlighter. Okay, so again, we are going to use another cream product, and I'm going to take my Becca Ignite highlighter, and this is in the shade Passion, which is perfect for my skin tone. As I said in my product review, this one is great because it has got different color shades depending on your skin tone. I saw a really good tip from, it was on a Soft Dove's Light video, and she did this, and I believe she got it from either, was it Beyonce's makeup artist? She went to like a meet with him, and he did a tutorial like on the stage and stuff, and that's the kind of like tips he gave. And since I've like seen that video, I've been doing that with my cream highlighter, and I definitely can see that I'm not using too much product. So I'm just tapping on my hand, but then also tapping it on, because you guys know that I have been using far too much creamed highlighter when I've used it in previous videos. So this is a really good tip for anyone who does the exact same thing, who uses too much highlighter. So I'm just gonna pop on here. So under my foundation, this is just gonna give me a really nice glow. It's not gonna give me like a bling bling highlight moment like it does just now. It's just gonna be like more of a glow underneath my foundation. So now time for step 6. We still haven't got any foundation, guys. This is gonna be, we've got 4 steps left. Come on, foundation. Awesome, we have setting spray again. So I'm gonna go in with another setting spray. I'm gonna use the NYX mattifying setting spray. Mascara is not going to be loving this. It's not going to be able to hold up with 2 sprays of setting spray. Are we looking horrendous with the... No, mascara's holding up, guys. Mascara's doing well. Gonna be very mattified though. On to step 7. Fingers crossed, guys. Come on the foundation. Come on the foundation. Come on the foundation. Come on the foundation. Now we're going on to blush, and I do not have a creamed blush, so we're just gonna have to use any brush. It's not gonna come up under my foundation if I get foundation, but I'm just gonna use my favorite from the Roxxsaurus palette, and that is with Revolution, and this is called Blush Burst, and I'm just gonna use this nice peach one there. It's so cute. I love this palette. I suppose it's a bit of a good thing that I have got powder underneath, because it means it's kind of grasping onto something. The same with the grasping. English. Okay guys, so we have no foundation yet. We have no eyeshadow on. And we have 2 steps left. Okay, so let's go with step 8, guys. Even foundation, just give me some foundation. Okay, with primer. Now, I know what you guys are all thinking. Whoa, do you really want to put primer on? Do I? Maybe gonna cheat a little. I'm gonna use my spray primer, and that is by I Heart Revolution, and it's the Tasty Peach collection. My lord, does this smell beautiful. Again, my mascara hates me. Give us something that is gonna make my face just look a little bit better. I just get a little bit too excited there, just a tad. As you guys know, I normally prefer a more full coverage foundation, but because we've already popped on quite a lot of products underneath, I don't want to do anything full coverage, because then my face is just going to be just a little bit flat. So we want to keep the bronzer kind of coming through. I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani Neo Nude foundation, and this is a light coverage. I'm just going to pop some of that into the glass, and we are going to use my beauty blender because I do not want to rub any of this bronzer. I just want it to be like kind of stay in place a little bit. I mean, yeah, it's not the greatest bronze ever, but oh my god, was that a bit much product? Oh my god. So as you can see there, the bronzer is kind of coming through, so we're still getting a little bit of definition, and we've also got a little bit of the glow from the highlighter coming through as well, which is amazing. Now we're on to the final step, and as you can see, like using the light coverage foundation and having the cream blonde bronzer underneath has been okay. Like we have a little bit of definition, face is not too flat, and we are getting a slight glow. I don't care at this point what I get. Oh, so we have bronzer. So that's not so bad. Did I need to go for a light coverage then? No, could have easily had a full coverage. I'm gonna go in with my Dior bronzer because it's very true to my skin tone. So I don't want too much of a heavy look now that I'm not gonna be able to put any blush or any eyeshadow on. Okay guys, so that is my makeup done. That is the challenge complete. Was it successful? It wasn't bad. It's not the worst of my makeup challenges. If you've seen them all, definitely not. This is just more of a natural look. Obviously having just mascara and no eyeshadow on. I feel though under my foundation, I've literally layered on products, but literally had nothing coming from it apart from the bronzer and having the highlighter to get that little bit of a glow. I am getting a glow with the Giorgio Armani. I love this foundation. Of all lighter foundations, this is definitely one of my favorites. So I highly, highly, highly recommend this foundation. If you've enjoyed this video and like me to do more challenges just like these, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. And also remember to head over to my Instagram where you guys get to choose my next video. And remember guys, to please stay safe.